Sit down comfortably. Adjust yourself so that the way you're sitting will create the least movement possible. Keep your spine straight. Don't stick your chest out or hunch. Imagine you're a puppet with a string attached to the top of your head. As the string lifts up, every part of your body falls down in a relaxed and harmonious way. Keep your head perfectly balanced on top of your erect spine. Relax your mouth. Don't clench your teeth. Your eyes are closed and your face is relaxed. Your hands in the appropriate mudras. Left hand down on your lap, palm facing upward. Right hand now placed on top of the left hand, palm facing upward as well. The tips of your thumbs now slowly coming together to touch one another lightly. With your eyes remaining closed, become aware of your surroundings. Become aware of any sounds around you, the temperature of the room. Allow your awareness to become aware of everything around you. Now draw your awareness inward and become aware of your physical body. Become aware of the way you're sitting down, your spine, the position of your head and hands. You're viewing the physical body from the inside out. Just be aware of your physical body sitting still. Now begin to breathe diaphragmatically. The most important part of this breathing exercise is to do it slowly, in a relaxed manner without any strain. Focus completely on your breathing. Continue to breathe diaphragmatically. Allow your awareness to follow the breath all the way in and then all the way out again as you inhale and exhale. Now I want you to begin to regulate your breath. Make sure to keep the duration of your in-breath and the duration of your out-breath exactly the same. As you breathe in, mentally count up to a number that you're comfortable with. At the end of the inhalation, pause for 1 count. Then exhale for the same number of counts as you inhaled. And at the end of the exhalation, pause for 1 count. If you find your awareness drifting away, gently and lovingly bring it back to what you're focused on now, which is regulating your breath. Use your powers of concentration and the willpower that you've developed to hold awareness on regulating the breath. Now start to breathe normally without regulating your breath. You no longer need to count. Just breathe in and breathe out in a relaxed manner. Feel the warmth of your body. Try and feel the warmth throughout your entire physical body. The warmth that you feel is the energy within your body. Feel the natural warmth in your hands and face, in your torso, legs, and feet. Simply sit and feel the warmth. This warmth is created by the life force that is flowing throughout every cell of your body. If you're struggling to feel the warmth of your body, then visualize the entire physical body filled with energy. You can do so by first visualizing the shape of your body. Then visualize energy as a bright, light blue light filling every part of your body. Concentrate on your visualization. Feel the warmth of your body. Now I want you to visualize the nervous system within your entire physical body. Visualize miles and miles of nerves running down your spine and flowing out through your entire torso, through your arms, and all the way down into your hands and to the very tips of your fingers. Visualize nerves flowing out of your spine, down your legs, through your thighs, your calves, your ankles, and into the very tips of your toes. Hold this visualization very firmly in your mind. Now try to feel this nervous system. Try to feel the nerves that carry energy throughout your entire physical body. When you start to feel your nervous system, you may feel a tingling sensation. Now try to feel the life force flowing through these nerves, energizing the body. Tune into the currents of the life force as they flow through these nerves. This is a subtle feeling and may take some time to achieve. If you find your awareness drifting away, gently and lovingly bring it back to the object of concentration, which is to focus on the nerves within the body and energy within the nerves. If you're struggling to feel energy moving through this nervous system, then visualize energy flowing through this nervous system throughout your physical body. Use your powers of concentration and hold this feeling firmly in your mind. Feel energy flowing through each and every nerve fiber within your physical body. Sit with this for a minute or two. Now we want to reverse the process and slowly begin coming out of our meditation and externalizing our awareness. The first step in doing this is to shift your awareness from your nervous system and move it outward to become aware of the warmth of your physical body. Feel the warmth. Feel the warmth as an emanation of energy flowing through your nervous system throughout your entire physical body. Now draw your awareness outward and become aware of your physical body. Become aware of your spine. Your spine should be erect. If you're struggling to feel your spine, you can gently move your back from left to right. This will help you identify where your spine is. Feel your hands, your feet, your head. Just be aware of your physical body. With your eyes still closed, draw your awareness out even further and become aware of your surroundings. Hold this for a few moments. Now slowly open your eyes and adjust yourself to surroundings. Sit for a few moments and bask in the aftermath of your meditation. Do not get up right away. Just be aware of everything that you're feeling right now. Allow the experience of feeling your subtle nerve currents and the energy flowing through it slowly permeate every part of your consciousness and physical body. When you're ready, you can get up. This concludes your meditation practice for today.